how to incorporate storytelling into interview preparation. So it's very important to research about the company's culture, and if that culture or value or the job description may any point is about a story, about an experience you want to share with others, you should definitely incorporate that story in your interview somewhere. Like if a question is asked about your leadership skill, I should be very well prepared with my story that I can use here as an answer. Okay. If the company values creativity and innovation, and you can incorporate stories that showcases your creativity, your ability, your fundraising skill, your sales skill. If you have any story, any experience, any learning from your past, you should be ready with a story there, that I will be using this technique so that the employer is able to understand my part very well. And then again, prepare your stories in advance. We should be very clear, concise, relevant, and engaging. Skip all the extra information and be very clear with what information I am sharing with my employer. So, developing storytelling skills can significantly enhance your communication in interviews. It's a very crafty and like crafting skill which everyone around us are now learning. This is a course which is now included in business communication in many major management colleges as well. So with this, next slide please. Yeah, so now again talking about a video where we will be talking about 5 stories which everyone should prepare. Okay, please play the video from the very beginning. Yeah. Yeah. So to crack any interview, we should have these 5 stories. First is leadership. Everyone should have a story about leadership. Second is teamwork. How well you were able to be a team player. Third is accomplishment, what you have learned. Overcoming a challenge. And fifth is a failure story. So every one of us should have a story for all these 5 parameters, which you can use in your various interviews.